Hello boys and girls, today we're going to create a Romero Britto inspired teacup. So let's get started. We're going to start our drawing by drawing a square. It does not have to be a perfect square. We're just going to connect 4 straight lines together in the middle of our papers. And this is going to be the main body of our teacups. Now we're going to start adding the handle on this side. I did mine as a kind of N with a straight line connecting into the teacup. Yours can be a C or an even funner shape if you would like to. After you do the outside, on the inside we're going to mimic the shape for the inside of the handle. We're going to add the saucer underneath the teacup as a stretched out C shape. And we're going to add the table going all the way across our paper on the left and the right. After you have this main drawing done, you're going to decorate your teacup, your table, and the background using lines, straight lines, wavy lines, zigzags. Have fun with your lines. And also add some shapes. What kind of lines and shapes will you add to your pictures today? Have fun with it, guys. I added a diamond, some straight lines, some polka dots. I did some straight lines crossing on my tablecloth with some patterns and lines. I added some steam coming off of my cup. Added some wallpaper behind, go in and erase those overlapping lines, and I added some polka dots. After you add your designs, you're going to carefully color. We want to take our time and fill in the white spaces. What colors will you choose? Feel free to use your favorite colors. Feel free to make patterns. I can't wait to see what you guys will create. Have fun with this. Make it your own. Yours does not have to look like mine. Add your own details and your own flair to your pictures.